in the quiet of the night, under starry skies.
In the quiet of the night, under starry skies so blue,
you whispered yes to angels when the world was new.
a young girl with a dream, carrying light divine.
Through the shadows and the storms, you held the sign.
You walked the road alone, I see it now,
With grace in every step, promises you kept. Oh, immaculate heart, burning bright for us, Mother of mercy, in your eyes we trust. The love that never fades, through the pain and grace, guide us home, Mary, to your embrace. Immaculate heart, pure and full of life, in your yes, you change the night.
Hail Mary, gentle and strong,
You lead us where we belong. At the foot of the cross, tears like rivers flow.
you held the broken world in sorrows below.
Yet you rose with the dawn, faithful through the fire, teaching us to trust, lifting us higher. Every prayer we breathe, every fear we fight, you intercede for us in the endless light. Oh, immaculate heart, burning bright for us, Mother of mercy, in your eyes we trust. The love that never fades, through the pain and grace, guide us home, Mary, to your embrace. Immaculate heart, pure and full of life, in your yes, you change the night.
Hail Mary, gentle and strong,
You lead us where we belong.
when the world feels cold, we're lost at sea,
Your mantle covers us, sets our spirits free. Ave, Ave, full of grace, lead us to His face. Oh, immaculate heart, burning bright for all,
Mother of the Savior, hear us when we call.
the love that conquers all, universe where we belong.